Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Selenium version in Eclipse. First, open your Eclipse IDE and select the project you're working on. In the Project Explorer, find and expand the Referenced Libraries folder. This folder contains all the external JAR files your project uses, including Selenium's components. We'll look for specific file names to identify the version. Once you've expanded reference libraries, scan the list for JAR files related to Selenium. You'll usually see files like Selenium Server Standalone or Selenium API. The version number is often embedded directly within the file name itself. For example, if you see Selenium Server 4.1.0 jar, your Selenium version is 4.1.0. This is the most straightforward way to identify it. If you're using a build automation tool like Maven or Gradle, checking the version is even simpler. For Maven, open your POM XML file. Inside, locate the Dependencies section and find the entry for Selenium Java. The version tag directly beneath it will clearly state the Selenium version your project is configured to use. This method ensures accuracy for managed dependencies. Knowing your Selenium version is crucial for debugging and ensuring compatibility with your browser drivers. Keeping your Selenium libraries updated helps you leverage the latest features and maintain stable test automation. Remember to check the official Selenium documentation for release notes and upgrade guides. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.